Yo, what's up, guys? Mikey ran at your screen. Actually, I want to share with you guys my progress on consumate traders challenge that I took. Prior to this challenge that I took, I've actually took two challenges, which are the $10,000, and I actually failed these two challenges. And due to the fact that I was actually eager to pass these two challenges, and what actually made me fail this challenge, I had to realize them later on after the courses I took on these two challenges, and I have vowed and worked towards me not repeating the challenge once again. So currently, I am in a verification phase of a $5,000 account because I actually decided to, take things a little bit slower and not rush myself into things. So I'm currently on a 5K fund challenge, and let me show you the metrics. One thing about consummate trader is I do not like their trading journal because it is not actually that precise and changes and all those stuff that you could see on FTMO and my first fund challenges. So we are actually, I think they should actually be working towards this, and I'll be glad if consumer traders could actually work towards this, and you can see all our metrics very clearly and more precise with the challenges, and so we can work towards us getting better as a pro firm trader. So I actually do recommend consumer trader, and the main reason why I choose using consumer trader is due to the fact that I'm a Nigerian, and depositing into prop firms through different currency is very hard. If you're not using crypto, it's very hard, and there will be a lot of fluctuation in price because the dollar to naira rate is actually very high, and currently it is 750 naira, and I think consumer trader is using 745 naira. So theirs is actually 5 naira lower, and that's actually pretty small, but it's nice. I just love their quick response and their support team, and they are very good. I love the immediate and fast deposit into your pro firm account. So I'm on the verification stage. I just got my credentials for the verification stage though, so I've not taken any trade on this account, but I've passed the first phase. I made 8.09%, and now I will be starting the second stage, which is the verification stage tomorrow, and I will update you guys about the trade tomorrow when I start trading. Guys, and if I failed, I will update you guys too, so you guys can learn from my mistakes. So let me go to my trading view, and you can see how I passed the challenge. So basically, it took me 14 around 14 13 days, 13 trading days to pass the challenge, and actually I would have passed the challenge earlier on Monday, but due to some things and my psychology was not right on Monday, I actually did not pass the challenge on Monday. So these are the trades that was supposed to pass my first phase on Monday. So I took a short term buy on GBP USD, and I later sent this signal to my free Telegram group, and you can join my free Telegram group in the link in my bio. So I sent these signals to the group, but I actually ended up not taking it because I was not feeling comfortable, because I only had 1% to make up 8% because I was actually up 7% previous week. So I was up 7% previous week. So I was afraid to take this sell due to the fact that I took a buy air and it was a run, and I was afraid to take this sell. So I later took some losses along the way. These are like small losses. I took four small losses on Tuesday, which actually brought my account back from 7% down to like 5.5%. So I was still, trying to keep my emotions low and try to take things slow since I'm very close to the profit target. So that was what actually happened on. So let me just start reviewing the trades from the beginning. So I started trading. My first trade was a short sell signal, which was A. So I tried selling GBP USD from A, and what actually happened was price was not ready to continue this to drop at this point in time, and I exited the trade with small loss and later got in again, which was a win. So I took a win on this day. So on the second day, which was on Wednesday, I took three losses which were psychological losses. They were not normal losses, but they were psychological losses because I was so impatient on this day due to the fact that I took a very good win on Tuesday, and I was so eager and happy to jump on the next trade on the second day. So this actually led into disaster, and I actually ended up over trading. But the over trading is not actually above my daily exposure. So actually every day I do expose myself to a maximum of 2% or 1.5%. So if I should lose 2% in the day, I'm done for the day. So this day I was actually down around 1.2%, somewhere around that region. I was actually down, but I actually made some more profit with these two signals. So I short GBP on Wednesday, and I later bought GBP on Wednesday. So this actually brought me back at break even, and I also made small profit on top of my account balance for on Wednesday. So on Thursday, I was actually stop wanted on Thursday because I went for short, but price actually did not get to my stop loss. But due to the fact that Quackle has is now having a very very tight stop a very very tight spread, the spread actually took me out. So the spread was at around 2 pips that day, but normally it was not supposed to be up to 2 pips because it's around 1.2 pips around that. But I think consumate traders should actually work on giving us the program traders, giving us the opportunity to be able to trade with a very good broker that can have a very tight stop loss and can actually save us from this type of trade. So I was actually supposed to win this trade, but due to the spread that happened on this day, I actually took a loss, and I took another loss here too in this region. I took another loss, so I was down on this day, but I moved on. I later saw another opportunity to go for long, but I didn't went long because I was not happy and comfortable with taking this trade due to the fact that I already took some losses prior to this trade, and I was hoping to get around 1 to 2 from this trade, but I didn't take it because I was not happy with the stop loss placement. It was too large. The stop loss placement was too large. It's around 30 to 27 pips, and I was not very comfortable taking the trade. So I had to wait till Friday, and I actually took a very good trade on Friday, which actually run very good. So this was an NFP, and I took a short sell. I was already in profit, so I had to adjust my stop loss, and in case NFP will be like a spike up before dropping, I have to adjust my stop loss to lose a little bit if actually the trade will go south. So the trade actually ended up being a runner, and I won this trade. So that was pretty much how I ended the first week that I started trading on the challenge accounts with consumate trader. So starting on the following week on Monday, I took a loss because I was trying to buy GBP and I took a loss on that trade. Price actually later came up, but I was not able to get it from this bottom. I added a little position here, and I scalped the remaining of this trade. So I got out from this trade and went in for short sale when I saw a short sale signal on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I took 2 winning trades on Tuesday. I sold GBP and I also bought later in the day, and I took 2 wins on this day. So on Wednesday, I took a loss because I was trying to sell GBP in continuation with respect to this bearish move. I was trying to short GBP back into some levels around 24,000. So that was what I was trying to do, but price was not giving me the opportunity, and I took a loss. And whenever I see X's, that means it's the trade I took that day is a loss. So I took just one loss this day, and I was happy to exit the market and leave. So I was looking to go for short here in this region, but I was not able to go for short because price was too fast at this region. So I was waiting for my double top or the M and W pattern to form in my support and resistance zone, but I didn't get that, and I actually missed out on this trade. I moved on with my trades, and on Thursday, price actually gave me a very nice trading opportunity, but due to the fact that I was so obsessed with shorting GBP I actually missed out on the opportunity at the first try. I took a buy signal in the morning. I got stopped out due to the fact that my stop loss placement was wrong. So I went in for short, thinking price is ready to drop because I was also anticipating price to drop, and I was also anticipating price to right? So I gave the bullish push more probability than the bearish push. So that was why I later got in for buy, and the trade actually ended up being a runner. So I won this trade again on Thursday, and on Friday I also took a winning trade on Friday. Although I actually started buying from this region. But price didn't respect the region. I closed out with small loss and got in again at the bottom. So, and when I got in again at the bottom, you can see price actually ran for me pretty well, and it's a good win on Friday. So I closed that week with a total of 7% in like 6 or 7 trading days. So I'm up around 7%. So that's pretty much how this trading account actually went from 5k balance to a 5,404 balance at the end of the 14th trading days. So I'll be sharing my screenshots and some trades that I took, the signals right now on your screen. So you are going to see those screenshots on your screen right now. So thank you guys, and thanks to consumate traders. So actually there's something very nice about consumate traders, because when I actually passed the trading challenge, the first phase today, and I got the second phase account credentials pretty much after like an hour, and that's pretty a very very good content stuff. So I love that, and I will appreciate them, and I'll just encourage them to just keep up the good work. So my command at your screen. So I would like you guys to just subscribe, like my video, and you can join my Telegram group, link in my bio. Peace out, guys.